Let's get some trader talk from Nick Santiago, the CEO of In the Money Stocks. Nick, it's a Jobs Friday, a time when you tend to tell us the number really doesn't matter. Does it matter this time?
Well, I don't really believe it does. And, I'm going to stick with my thesis that the market goes up when liquidity is put into the system, and it goes down when liquidity comes out of the system. And we all know since the financial crisis began in March, that's where liquidity was put into the system. And now, we're getting a little bit rich. This market has had a tremendous run. The AI hype has helped it out. And, now I think you got to be a little bit cautious because we're starting to enter the August, September, October time period. And that's a time period where the markets have a tendency to correct. So I would be more on the cautious side. And again, I just don't believe the job number anyway, right? How could it be so different than the ADP report, time and time again? So again, I just don't really think it matters, but much for one day. That's about it.
The stock market has had some selling pressure this week. Do you think there will be a 5% slip in stocks, and are traders still in the buy the dip mode?
Yeah, I think initially we'll probably get something like that, a 5% drop, and then you'll get a bounce because everybody's now conditioned to buy the dip, so to speak, and they're going to buy the pullback initially. But what you want to watch for now is the next time around, right? So say we correct a little bit further from here, then we get a little bit of a rally. If we make a lower high, that's going to be the big problem. That's where you could get a real severe, sharp correction. I don't think this time around, this month, is going to present that, although anything is possible. But I've been cautioning, all of my members, even on here, and I said, as we go into August, you want to, be a little bit careful this time around because we're so used to getting the summer doldrums in August where the volume is so light and nothing really matters. We just chop around. The markets really don't decline because of lack of selling pressure. But this time around, we're getting a nice little pullback starting here, well overdue. And, in the month of September or so, you got to be careful because that's where the real danger lurks. So I would continue to be cautious here.
What's your trade of the day, Nick?
My trade of the day is going to be Dollar General. The ticker symbol is DG. This stock has been beaten to a pulp. I like companies like this down here, especially in this kind of environment. Interest rates are moving up. People are getting a little bit scared. They're going to go shopping at the dollar stores. This is my trade of the day, Dollar General.
Thanks so much.
Thank you so much for having me.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.